Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode where we break down complex concepts into fun and easy to understand analogies. Today, I've got a super cool analogy to help you understand voltage and current using waterfalls. Yes, you heard that right, waterfalls. Buckle up because this is going to be both fun and enlightening. We're going to take a journey through nature to explore the wonders of electricity. So let's dive right in. Imagine the sound of water crashing down, the mist in the air, and the sheer power of nature at work. Imagine we're out in nature, standing before a series of breathtaking waterfalls. These natural wonders are not just beautiful, they can also teach us a lot about electricity. These waterfalls are going to help us grasp the concepts of voltage and ampere, or current, in circuits. It's fascinating how nature can mirror the principles of science. First up, let's talk about voltage. Voltage is like the pressure that pushes electrons through a circuit, much like how water is pushed over the edge of a waterfall. Think of voltage as the electric pressure or force pushing electrons through a circuit. The higher the waterfall, the greater the force of the water hitting the plunge pool below. Now picture a battery connected in series. This setup can be imagined as waterfalls stacked on top of each other, each adding to the overall pressure. This setup can be imagined as waterfalls stacked on top of each other. Each waterfall adds to the force, just like each battery adds to the voltage. The water cascades down from one level to the next, each time increasing the force or pressure of the water. This increased pressure is analogous to higher voltage. This increased pressure is analogous to higher voltage. So, more waterfalls in series mean more water pressure, just like more batteries in series result in higher voltage. So, more waterfalls in series mean more water pressure, just like more batteries in series result in higher voltage. It's a simple yet powerful way to visualize electrical concepts. Now let's switch gears and talk about current, which we measure in amperes. Current is the flow of electrons through a circuit similar to the flow of water in a river. Current is the flow of electrons through a circuit. To visualize this, imagine two waterfalls side by side, each with their own stream of water flowing down. To visualize this, imagine two waterfalls side by side, each with their own stream of water flowing down. This setup is similar to batteries connected in parallel. This setup is similar to batteries connected in parallel. The combined flow of water from both waterfalls represents a greater total flow. Just like parallel batteries increase the total current. The combined flow of water from both waterfalls represents a greater total flow. Just like parallel batteries increase the total current. More waterfalls next to each other mean more water flowing overall. More waterfalls next to each other mean more water flowing overall, just as more batteries in parallel mean more current flowing through the circuit. It's all about the flow. Alright, let's break it down one more time. Batteries in series, like waterfalls stacked vertically, increase the pressure, or voltage. Batteries in series, like waterfalls stacked vertically, increase the pressure, or voltage. Each additional battery adds to the overall voltage, just like each additional waterfall adds to the pressure. Batteries in parallel, like waterfalls side by side, increase the flow or current. The more batteries you have in parallel, the greater the total current, just like more waterfalls mean more water flow. Understanding these analogies helps us grasp how electrical circuits behave and the role of voltage and current in powering our devices. It's a beautiful intersection of nature and technology. Remember, the next time you see a waterfall, think about batteries and circuits. It's a fun way to connect the dots between the natural world and the principles of electricity. It's amazing how nature can help us understand even the most complex concepts. The next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate how it mirrors the science we use every day. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this analogy as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun analogies and explanations. See you next time. Keep exploring, keep learning.